Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oyuore nyasi mar nyota matimore kaunti ma Kakamega.
The fee structure in this new education system has not changed. The fee structure remains as stipulated in the Kenya Gazette of 2015.
Jatend migao masomo Julius Migos Ogamba okwedo mokalo weche maliekore ni sirikal omedo omenda mag somo. Jotelo mawuok e oganda jo Akamba medo poyo okang' mane gikawo matimo limbe kang'o ka Jaramogi. Ni weche manyien makagi kacha Inga Milton Ochieng. Rowere micha gi micha yudo sir mar omenda ma chako ohala kokalo chenro manyota e nyasi madhi nyime e kaunti ma Kakamega. Chenro ma kamano ibiro tae thuolo mar higni 5 kendo geto rowere maromo 400 kendo nochake gi piny owacho mar Kenya mar biro siro rowere ke biro si chenro no gi bengi maduong' mar piny mangima.
So kutoka wale walikuwa blacklisted, sasa tuko na wananchi wengi. Wengine walikuwa wananiuliza, wewe bwana president unasema mtu akope shilingi 500, shilingi 500 itamsaidia nini? Sijui shilingi 1000 itamsaidia nini? Sijui shilingi 5000 itamsaidia na nini? Mimi nataka niwaeleze, shida ya biashara si pesa. Shida ya biashara ni akili. Mtu akiwa na akili anaweza kufanya biashara na pesa ya aina yoyote. Na ndio mimi nataka niwaulize, mimi nikisimama mbele yenu, wakati mmoja nilikuwa ninauza kuku na ilikuwa shilingi 13 ama shilingi 17. Leo nasimama mbele yenu hapa kusema siku hizi mimi niko na kuku nyingi, sitaki kusema ni kiasi gani. But I just want to encourage you. Nataka muelewe ya kwamba wale waliosema haba na haba ujaza kibaba, they knew what they are saying. You can start small. Hata Biblia inasema do not despise young or small beginnings. There is a future. Mnanielewa jameni? Kuna watu watakuambia 25,000 haiwezi kufanya chochote. Kuna watu watakuambia shilingi 50,000 haiwezi kufanya chochote. Lakini mimi nataka kukueleza, ukitumia akili, ukijipanga vizuri, 50,000 can make a difference in your life and can grow your business. Na ndio sababu hiyo, I am standing before you to thank the World Bank Group for being our partners so that we can do this together. Pesa ambayo tunawapatia leo ni mkopo tumechukua kutoka World Bank. Mjue si pesa ya bure. Ni mnanielewa? Serikali ya Kenya itakuja kulipa baadaye, lakini nyinyi hamuwezi kulipa. Nyinyi sasa hiyo pesa ni pesa yenu.
Jatend migao masomo Julius Ogamba okwedo mokalo weche maliekore ni sirikal omedo omenda mag somo kowacho ni ote manochwal manyiso omenda monego chul higa mabiro ok en medruok moro amora. Ogamba nowacho ni sirikal biro dhi nyime gi chwalo omenda mag somo kaka pile.
The fee structure in this new education system has not changed. The fee structure remains as stipulated in the Kenya Gazette of 2015. Remember, the guidelines that we released referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which stipulates the fees that is payable by all categories of our schools. So no fee has changed. The structure of the fees has not changed. The amount of capitation has also not changed. We are paying 1,500 for primary, 15,000 for junior school, and 22,240 for senior school or for secondary schools. So that fee has not changed. That was a misunderstanding of the guidelines because they did not refer to the second part of what was in that particular guideline because it referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which is currently in operation.
Nitiere luoro ni jotije ma counties nyalo rem yudo kony mag thieth kokalo okumba mar thieth mar SHA kaluwore gi deko chwalo omenda ne sirikal ma counties. Okang' ma kama omiyo riwruok mar Governors COG oromo kendo pedho paro matimo lokruok e chike matayo SHA.
Our disbursement will come after 9. By the time we remit, it will be around 17th. We will not remit less money for sure simply because the date passed. But for the time when they have not been able to get our remittance, our people will be locked out. It is as if we have a date with when we have to get sick.
It also has to be very clear in that particular legislation. Because you see, they have a whole thing, the one for the digital health. But there's nowhere that talks about what happens when there's no connectivity. What is going to happen one day if they decide to shut down the internet?
Jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale olando dwaro mar sirikal mar kedo gi wach mine gi nyithindo mayom mawito ngimagi e seche ma mine nyuole ute mag thieth mag nyuol molos e lony manyasani. Koloso e tielo mar ang'wen mar puodho jopuonjre matiegore bedo laktache e osiptal mar Referral ma Kenyatta, Duale nowacho ni ute thieth duto nyaka gol nonro ma pile ka pile kendo yango gino mokelo thoe mag mine kod nyithindo mayom e kuonde nyuol matiyo gi lony manyasani.
Under the Digital Health Act, it is criminal when healthcare professionals either falsify or fail to report any health data through our Ministry of Health Healthcare Information System. And very soon we are going to introduce into our digital health superhighway where every facility, including our referral hospitals and our county hospitals, every morning through our dashboard, the reasons you report, and you must report every maternal mortality and newborn mortality in our country. It's going to be a rule. We know how many babies are born in our country. We know how many of them are reimbursed through the Social Health Authority. Now we want to make sure that no mother who is not a patient, who is healthy, who walks to this facility to give us a living, we are told that mother and her newborn are dead. We will not accept that.
Jatend migao mar pur Mutahi Kagwe koro dwaro ni jotelo mag siasa mondo we tiyo gi nengo mar majan chai e yor siasa, kowacho ni achiedh nade mantiere sekta mar majan mar chai onego tiek e yor keto piny ondamo mabeyo mag ting'o malo keyo mag jopur. Kagwe nomedo ni jopur nitiere thuolo mar uso majan mar chai kamoro amora ma giuse gi nengo maber, ka ochiwo sim mager ne josiasa mondo were gi sekta no.
Issues are not political. Tea taste issues are not political issues. They are technical issues. It is a technical issue. We have also got options. Na tuambia watu wa KTDA wafanye hivi. We have said the tea market is also open. It's also open on the internet. Wewe ukiwa na majani yako usikie pale unauza sio mzuri, it is open for you to sell anywhere in the world.
Kweth mochung'ne kedo ne ratich oganda pod dhi nyime kod seyo mokalo piny owacho mar Kenya kuom ling' thi kata doko ni ratich jo Kenya e piny libamba ma Tanzania irocho. E seche gogo bende anyuola mar Okoth Ogutu manonegi e piny Tanzania koro medo chwalo ywak margi mondo mi giyud kaka inyalo duok ringre jalno manonegi pacho. Japuonj Ogutu wachore ni nonegi e piny Tanzania bang' ka nochiele gi magina e kinde ng'anyo mane pingo yiero mar piny Tanzania manolando Suluhu Hassan kaka jaloch.
Mr. President, please come out and assist us. We need to put a closure to this as a family. We are tortured emotionally, psychologically. Things can't move on. We are tortured. We are appealing for the body of John. Because as at now, we have evidence that John was killed in Tanzania. We are appealing for that body to be brought home.
These conditions essentially produce the conspiracy theories. It produces the concerns that not only have there been massive human rights violations, but also there is a massive cover-up that is happening at the moment. unverified yet are concerns around disposal or mass burials of bodies. And I think, without access to some of these locations and safe access, unfortunately, the conspiracies and the concerns will continue.
Kenyans working in Tanzania must not be scapegoated by an administration that has violently suppressed civic space. We stand in solidarity with the people of Tanzania in their struggle for human rights, freedom, and dignity. We call upon the governments of Kenya, the African Union, SADC, the East African Cooperation, and the United Nations to act decisively and protect Tanzanians, Kenyans in Tanzania, and other foreign nationals.
Jakom mar board ma sukari Kenya Sugar Board Midusa Nicholas Gumbo okone oganda luo mondo tima kare gi mwandu magintiere godo kamoting'o mula, rech, lope mamiyo kod mamoko mondo migiriemb dhier. Gumbo mane wuoye sub-county ma Wendo e kinde mano chope nyasi mobagi kod Shofko wacho ni mwandu mathoth mayudore e gwenge ma Kaluo oting'o mula kendo kosekonyo oganda e yo makare. Jakomni mar Kenya Sugar Board bende okone jotelo moyier mondo tim chenro mag dongruok manyalo kelo lokruok kuom oganda. Mae nosir kod jatije ka Shofko Kennedy Odede mane okone piny owacho kod riwruoge mag moko ma ok mag piny owacho mondo tim chenro mag dongruok ma oganda giwegi ema dwaro.
Bigori kama wantie nitie a lot of gold nyatike ka and everywhere katarongo ka. Mose mind for years. Jok mama ema jokor gweng onge mwandu. Jok makawe ema niga ngono mwandu. Nyaka en piny momeo. Afrika en piny momeo. Alomoko na somo buk moro mawacho ni dhier mar Afrika en dhier moker gi jotend Afrika. To kendo no wacho ni Afrika nyaka bed modhier. Nikech Afrika uso mwandu ne kong'iyo godo dhier.
And I also believe that development must come from the household. Development must come from the people, from the community. They really know what are the challenges. Not me, not NGOs, not government, but they have to work with the locals and listen to the communities.
Jodak ma Busia kod joriemb nyamburko mating'o jowuoth e alworano onyiso mor margi kaluwore gi meko mar apisa abich mag obila mag trafik ma giwacho nosebedo ka sundo derepe mondo omigi asoya e kind Busia gi Kisumu. Apisa mag duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC nogolo oko roadblock moro bang' mako apisago, gino makoro kelo fuong'ruok ne jodak makono. Giwacho no obilago osebedo ka kawo asoya e kind Sh50 gi 500.
Maafisa wa EACC wamefanya kazi nzuri kwa sababu hizi roadblocks zilikuwa zimeshakuwa mingi. Kila pahali unapata roadblock, kila pahali unapata roadblock, na ukiangalia vitu wanaangalia hakuna hata vitu za maana wanaangalia kwa gari. Unapata gari imepita imebeba excess, wanasimamisha roadblock hapo, kazi yao ni kuchukua hiyo pesa kidogo kidogo, hiyo shilingi 50 kwa magari.
Lakini kitu naweza sema kwa barabara hii iko na changamoto mingi sana. Iko na changamoto mingi sana. Na ukifuatilia kwa kama mambo ya hongo inaanza juu ikirudi chini. Na sisi wasafiri kuna mahali nafika paka tunafinywa, uwezi ukaongea kitu ndani ya gari.
Naunga mkono kwa maana ni kama ndio hobi yao, ndio tabia yao ya kuchukua hongo barabarani. Lakini mimi siwezi laumu maafisa wa polisi peke yake. Na laumu pia wateja na pia wenye magari, conductor na dereva. Kwa maana mteja anaona gari imejaa, yeye anajisunda ndani anajaa kabisa. Na Wakenya nao wanaogopa kwenda polisi. Sasa polisi anaposimamisha, utaona sasa pesa inaanza kubadilishana mikono.